Okay, so we store our Urban Composter under the bench. You can see it just sits under the bench quite nicely. This one's pretty full, so we're going to go through a process today of emptying it out. But first of all, I'm just going to show you on the inside of it how full it is. So it's got all the bananas and all sorts of stuff in there. So when you put food into there, the banana skins don't matter so much, but if you're giving large broccoli stems or any other large fruit stuff, just chop it up into smaller pieces so it helps with the fermentation. This is the spray that comes with the composter. It's an accelerator. It's a natural probiotic. So whenever we put food in there, we just simply give it 3 or 4 sprays like that, close the lid. This smells a little bit like fermented beer, so it's not an unpleasant smell at all. And the lid seals really well, so you will not get any smell out of the top of the composting bin itself.